Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can update a dedicated driver in your Windows operating system in your Windows 11 system. So how you can do that? Okay, so for update the driver you have to go to the computer management. Okay, so search here the computer management in start bar and click on it, and now computer management will appear here. Okay, see the device manager option here, you can click device manager. Okay, here we have lots of drivers. Okay, just suppose we say like audio driver की हम बात करें तो, so we talk about audio driver, right click on audio driver and go to properties. Okay, you can see driver, okay, option here, and you can see the update option here, so click on update, and it asks you for search automatically or browse the device. If you already have a driver, you can add from here. Okay, and also if you want to search automatically, you can click here and it will automatically search the driver for you. Okay, and update it. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for being here, and bye bye.